How to change your Android voicemail password.
Hello, and welcome to our helpful guide on changing your voicemail password on an Android device. We understand that privacy is a priority and voicemail is one area that can often be overlooked. This video will take you through a simple, step-by-step process to ensure your voicemails are secure.
Why should you change your voicemail password?
Having a unique and secure password for your voicemail is crucial. Your voicemail could contain sensitive information, and if it falls into the wrong hands, it could lead to unwanted consequences. Therefore, it's good practice to change your voicemail password regularly.
Locating the phone app.
Firstly, you need to locate your phone app. It's typically found on the home screen or in the app drawer of your Android device.
Navigating to voicemail settings.
Once you open the phone app, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you should see an option for settings. Tap on that. From there, locate and select voicemail settings.
Changing your voicemail password.
After entering the voicemail settings, you should see an option for Change Voicemail Password. Tap on that, and it will prompt you to enter your new password. Remember, a strong password typically includes numbers, letters, and symbols, and is not easily guessed. After you've entered your new password, you will usually be asked to confirm it by entering it again. Once you've confirmed your new password, your voicemail should now be secured with this new password. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your voicemail password on your Android device. By changing your password regularly, you're taking an important step in securing your private information. Thanks for joining us for this guide, and we hope this has been helpful to you.